Hello, brother. Welcome to my YouTube channel, long form. So, who am I? Ako si Chris Briand. As you know, I'm brother. I'm a bit famous already in the Philippines, especially in Mindanao and Visayas, where because ang language ko Bisaya and Tagalog. Why did I get viral? So before, sige na ako create ng content, wala naga-boom ang aking mga content by kaya ang ginatopic ko is mga psychology, mga mindset, traveling, wala nagagatbay. But then once last year, almost 2 years na I think, I went to Thailand and then I started getting excited to live stream again. Bumalik yung excitement ko after 3 months, I came back to the Philippines, creating content, and then boom, nag-start ako sige Reels doon nag-start click. And then I realized doon pala ako magaling by being myself. And what am I even before, in my school, in my barkada, I was a funny person, I think every one of us has a sense of humor. It's just for us to be creative on how we can express that. But basically, I think, parang nasa Joker archetype rin ako, I like to play with the boundaries. I like to enjoy. I like to have fun. I like to play music. I like to smile all the time. I think everyone likes to be happy. It's just that people prioritize safety than happiness. It's maybe because I came from a background that I didn't really lack money or financial support for me to be acting already on what excites me the most. Wow, 'di ba? So, it's about having freedom. First, having freedom to do what you want to do. 'Di ba? That's the most important thing. I want you to manifest your desires as well. Your dreams what are your inspiration in life? My inspiration is to travel more, to explore more, to meet wonderful intellectual, spiritual people, enjoy, balance, we play music, we go dancing. Wow, that's the most exciting thing. Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Not anymore planning on the future because we don't know in the future mawala ramang gihapon ta. Let's do it now while we have the time. The time is now. You ask me what time is it? The time is now. It's never there. It's never before. It's just now. Blessed and love.